Today I bring forth an idea for a Faceless YouTube channel that has the potential to become viral. It's viral because music channels have always been in trend and people really like them a lot. So I thought, why not incorporate this trend into our creative project and tell the story of any character through a unique theme song. Or if you are a content creator and often require songs, then this video is for you. So I prepared a song. Let's watch it first.
Late at night, when the moon is high, there's a feline rocker with fire in his eyes. Oh yeah, whiskers like lightning, shoes so fly. Yeah, Bootsy, the black cat, ready to dance, defy. Oh yeah, he struts his stuff with the swagger so cool, defying gravity like a rock and roll fool. Oh yeah.
So here I made a short video, but now I will make a long video with you. So first we need to come up with a video idea. The video idea can revolve around any topic, whether it's animated cartoons, a horror story, or a love story. So let's say today I'll choose a love story. So for a short love story, the first thing I need to do is song, and to do that I'll go to the Suno AI website. You can use the beta version of this website, or you can use its Discord version. In the Discord version, you will get a slightly shorter song compared to the beta version. So if your idea is about short videos, you can use the Discord version. However, if you want to create long videos, then you can make good video with almost 4 songs according to your story. So now the songs you see here are the ones I generated earlier. In the create option, you can generate your own song by just giving a prompt. And in the other option, if you have any lyrics of your own, or if you have written lyrics from GPT, then enter them here and enter the type of music you want in the style of music, like K-pop, or rap, or emotional love songs, and then click on generate. Then it will generate 2 songs for you within a minute. And if you are using the Discord version, then in the generate option, you can select any of chip beta 1, 2, or 3 and enter /chirp in the message. And now you can write the type of music here, write the lyrics here, or if you have a prompt, you can enter it here and then submit it. Then it will also generate 2 songs for you in just a minute. So as I prepared my own love song here, but if you are having trouble generating a song, then you can simply go to the GPT and write this prompt. So you can see that as soon as I enter this prompt, it has generated a story for us and has also created song related to it. So my song is ready. Let's go to the Suno AI. So here we'll click on create custom and simply enter the lyrics that we have generated here. Click on generate lyrics, then add a music style. Since my song is a love song, so here I can write emotional soul or love theme. So let's see if I write emotional, then click on generate. So it has now generated the song for us, so let's listen.
Where the sun dips low, he shuts his shop, a sweet evening's glow. Cobblestone whispers under the twilight. In a town serene where the sun dips low.
So you have heard how wonderfully it generated the songs. You can download any of your favorite from here, and if you don't like it, you can go to the music style and change it to regenerate. So now let me show you the Discord version so that you know how to generate the same song there if needed. So simply click on use on Discord here. We'll reach its Discord version. Now select your beta 1 or 2 here and enter /chip. After that, this box will appear. In this box, you basically have to write a music type like emotional. Here I'll write my lyrics and I can write the name of my story here. And then click on submit. So as you can see, it has also generated 2 songs for me. Let's listen to both of them and check them.
In the town serene where the sun dips low, he shuts his shop, the sweet evening's glow. In a town serene where the sun dips low, he shuts his shop with sweet.
If you like any of them, simply click on download button here to download it. If you don't like it, you can regenerate it again. So you can see that it generated a song of 20 to 30 seconds. So finally my song is ready. So let's move on to generating images. But before that, for generating images, you can easily take prompts from GPT or Google Bard. Like when I gave the same prompt to GPT and Google Bard, you can see that both provided me the 2 prompts for each scenes. This increases the chances of having more options for generating good images. So let's go with these prompts finally to Playground AI. After coming here, we'll click on create. Its interface can confuse you a bit, but once you get used to it, you'll have a lot of fun here. When you first come here, you'll see an empty canvas. These are all the images I've generated so far. So let's go to the side of our canvas and click on the generate image button. Here you can zoom in and zoom out, and if you want to move your canvas, use this hand move option. So now look at the options on the left side. The first option is image to image, where you can generate an image similar to any image you like. And the second button is for filters. Here you can see there are many filters available. Additionally, you can expand your prompt here and write a negative prompt to exclude certain elements from your image. And on the right side, you can see image dimensions, where you can set the size of your image. And below that, you have the option to choose the number of images you want to generate. So now I'll write my first prompt here and generate it. So as you can see, I used 2 prompts for one image. One from GPT and one from Google Bard. So after using these prompts, I got 8 images from GPT's prompt and 8 images from Bard's prompt. Now let me show you by zooming in how amazing the quality of these images is. So now I'll generate images one by one, and once all are done, I'll download the ones I like. And after this, let's move on to the next step, which is animation. And for this, I'll be using Pika Lab. If you have used Pika Lab before, that's great. If not, simply go to its website and connect to its Discord version. So once you're here in the creation section, you can work on your animation by entering any generated content. I personally prefer working privately. So to do that, right click on PikaBot, click on message. Here your creations won't be visible to anyone else, and you won't be able to see others' creations. So here in the message section, click on /create, and here you'll write your prompt. For example, in my case, I want to make a boy walk. So I'll write walking and then click on one more here, drag and drop your image, then press enter. Within a few minutes, Pika Labs will create your animation. So there was one option for giving a prompt, and now the second option is /animate. Here you don't need to provide any prompt. Just drag and drop your image and it will animate automatically. Now you can see that it has animated the image. I'll continue animating all the collected images in the same way. So finally, my animation is ready. Now let's move on the final step, which is editing. You can use any editing tool. Currently, I'm using Filmora. Here I have imported my song and generated animations. Here let me tell you one thing. Pika Lab generated very good videos, but it reduces their quality. So to fix it, I'll apply the auto enhancer effect. So here you can see it has significantly improved the quality of a video. So now one by one, I'll adjust the videos related to the song lyrics and add transitions or effects wherever necessary. So finally, my song is ready. Let's go and check the final result.
In a town serene, where the sun dips low, he shuts his shop, the sweet evenings glow. Cobblestone whispers under the twilight's gleam. He steps out with a smile and love softly. His heart soars high, emotions aglow. It's a serenade under the twilight sky. A tale of love begins, don't let it pass by. Cobblestone streets and vintage signs in this great little town where the river winds. You and me, we'll dance all night.
I think this is really exciting new way to create creative content, a great way to tell stories that are both personal and universal, and it's also a great way to showcase the creativity of AI. And I'm really excited to see what the future holds for Faceless YouTube channels.